Hi, I'm Dana. I'm a Glide certified expert, and I built this project tracking app exclusively using Glide. The first time I built this, I built it for a client, I built it again for another client, and then I built it again for another client. And I made a generic version of it for those of you who might want to have something like this. The best way for me to describe it is that it's tracking things, and it's tracking things within things. And it could be projects, like I have this word projects, and it could be people, it could be tasks, it could be clients and things that you're working on for those clients. It could be so many things. I set this version up to be a client portal. So all these projects that we can track here are also assigned to accounts, and people can be assigned to those accounts and given access to see the same information that you have. And we can give you a quick view of that here. We can add a project. I have an example account. We can, this is the new project, spring project. All right, we can give it a due date if we want. We won't. So we have a spring project, and this spring project is part of this account. We can go look at that if we want to. And we're basically tracking tasks. So we have a Kanban board, we have backlog tasks, to do, doing, waiting, and we can add a task for a first thing, whatever it might be to. And then we can assign it to anyone on this account or any one of the admins. So I'm an admin here, and we can see this is our first thing task to do, and maybe we're doing it, we're working on it. And within this project, spring project, we can leave comments for each other. So as a team of people who are working on a task or working on a project with tasks, we can all keep on the same page by leaving comments here. Gets you out of email. And we can add attachments. There's attachments behind me. There we are. Hi, how's it going? All right, back to the demo. And we have some summaries of things. You can see hours there. I know, I'm skipping ahead. Once you're inside of a task, you can track time against this task. So we can add in the date something was worked. We can check whether it's billable or not. We can say we worked 12 hours and 2 minutes on it. And notes go here. And then all of that rolls up. So if you can imagine, you have a task to do and you're tracking time against it. You have a team, maybe 2 or 3 people are tracking time against it. That the team can share comments and attachments for this task. So you can have attachments for the task, or you can have attachments for the project. And we can, we'll first go back to the project, and then we'll go to the account, and we can see we have some active projects in this account. So we can quickly get to them. This is where we can give the account an owner, so that gives them login access. But we can also go back to this front page. And on this front page, now that I've assigned myself a task, I have all my active tasks listed here. So I know what I'm working on. I know what I need to get to. If it has a due date, I can click on a due date. So I didn't give myself one, but this could be due on the 16th. And we can go back to projects and we can see, oh, okay, we're due on the 16th. And maybe I need help with this project. So I can, with this task. So I can go in and I can flag it. And when it's flagged, you'll see that it's been flagged, and active flagged tasks shows up for everybody. So whoever signed in sees tasks assigned to themselves, and they see flagged tasks for everyone else. Here we have a brief summary, just how many projects are active, how many tasks, how many flagged tasks, and what's the list of my tasks. So all of that rolls up to the account, and when an account signs in, they see just their account information. So I know I've helped a bunch of people with this. This is more or less a template that's ready to go. I'm happy to help more people with it, and let me know what you think. I think it's pretty powerful, and it's really enlightening. Once you start using something like this, you can really change how you do business or how you keep track of things. It gets you out of email, saves some time out of your day. I'm going to say goodbye now. Okay, goodbye.